So how to use JamDoughnut. So in this video, I'm going to walk you step by step on how to use the JamDoughnut app, as well as answering any common questions you may have about JamDoughnut. But before we begin, if you need to sign up to JamDoughnut, then I'll leave my referral code on screen and in the description, as by using my code to sign up, you'll receive a free cash bonus which is credited to your account when you sign up using the code. So JamDoughnut essentially is a cashback website. However, unlike most cashback websites, JamDoughnut actually gives you the opportunity to earn cashback in real life on all your day-to-day spending. So that could be things like Tesco and Asda shopping, eating out at restaurants or fast food chains, to just general retail stores you use in person anyway. So as you can see here, if we have a quick scroll, there's plenty on here. There's about up to 200 brands that you can get cashback for across a variety of categories. So for the example of this video, let's say you want to get cashback on your Tesco shopping. So if we go and search Tesco at the top of the search bar here, open up Tesco, and as you can see here, you can get right now 2% cashback with all your Tesco shopping. So the way this works is through gift cards. So through JamDoughnut, you'll essentially buy a Tesco gift card for a value of your choice, and then JamDoughnut will give you, in this case, a 2% kickback from that gift card. And then in the sake of Tesco, you can essentially use that gift card to pay for your groceries at the checkout. So you can see how this can add up over time, especially if you do a lot of weekly shopping with Tesco, Sainsbury's, Asda, etc., as there's an offer with JamDoughnut on all of them. So to jump straight into it, to claim your Tesco gift card, you simply just want to click on the red button here that says purchase securely. Then once you've done that, you just want to enter the amount of the gift card you want to buy. So it can be any amount between £10 and £500. So for example here, let's say £10. It will then tell you here that you'll get 20p cashback from Tesco from a £10 gift card. And likewise, if you up it to 100, you'll get £2 back. So you'll be able to see how much cashback you'll get before you even buy. So again, for the example of this video, we're just going to say £10. And then when you're ready to make the purchase, you just want to click on the red button that says purchase securely. Then once you've done that, you can either pay by bank app or Apple Pay, but you get more for bank app, so we're going to use that. Then once you've done that, you just need to select your banking app. So for the example of this video here, I'm just going to say Monzo. And then from here, you just want to say go to bank and go ahead and confirm the purchase. Then once the purchase is confirmed, it should pull you back to your JamDoughnut app where it says order complete right here with a breakdown of how much cashback you've earned from that gift card purchase. And to go ahead and use it, if you select use gift card and then select claim your gift card, it will then pull you through to the merchant's website where you can then go ahead and claim your gift card. And for the sake of Tesco, you can see your Tesco gift card right here. So you can go ahead and save it and then use it at checkout, whether if that's an in-person checkout such as Tesco self-service. And you can even use the gift card for online shopping too, if the merchant you bought with also does online. And if you ever want to view your gift card again, it now appears in your JamDoughnut wallet. So if you come back to the app, click on the wallet icon up here, and then you'll then get a list of all your gift cards. And as you can see here, here's the recent Tesco gift card we bought. So if you ever want to view it again, you can go ahead and click it. And in regards to your cashback, you can also track it from this page here, as well as tracking the progress for when you can cash out. And that is pretty much it. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe as it helps the channel massively. If you have any questions, feel free to comment them below. And thanks again for watching.